Hey everyone, I'm Lori McGraw with the Resource Rundown. So for those of you that are new here, I'm a middle school English teacher, although I've taught 5th through 8th grade multiple subjects, so I kind of have an idea of most subjects when it comes to middle school. I do how-to videos for Google Classroom, as well as other product reviews and educational related videos. A lot of teachers out there are teaching online, but at our school, we are teaching in a classroom, and we just recently went green, which means that we have all of our students in the classroom. Although we do still have a few students that are streaming into class every day. So I have to wear a mask all day with my students. And if you're like me, I have really struggled with wearing a mask because they're uncomfortable. They pull on my ear, the ones that hook around. I don't like the things that the extenders because they scratch my neck. So there's just all these issues that are bugging me. So today I'm going to go over, some of masks like you typically would wear, and also some other masks that I found that I really, really like. So hopefully you like them too. So let's start with the first mask I wanted to show you. So it's this kind of mask, right? We all know them, that kind of stretchy jersey material, and you just slide it on like so, and it fits like that. And what I found is when I breathe in, it sucks in right here, right? And it hooks on the ear, and that bothers me as well because it pulls on my ear. I've been having issues with my ear. I've had an ear infection that won't go away, and this really irritates it. And wearing a mask that's wrapped around your ear all day, regardless of how soft and comfortable it is, can be taxing, right? But this is one of them that we've been wearing, and this is definitely not my preference. This is one that the school gave us, so I don't know where they got them. But I have another one that I did where it does hook behind the ear, but I like it because the kids can see my smile. So here this one is. Okay, so this mask is like a face shield of sorts, but it wraps around the nose like this, okay, and then attaches behind the ear just like this, okay, and it sits on the nose. Now it doesn't come with a wire to kind of make it go in, but you can easily adapt this to do that by just taking this off. You can make a little slit right here, okay, and then you can take a wire. You could take one of the disposable masks and cut the wire that's in there out and just slide it on in. And I did this with one other one, but I don't have it with me right now. But it worked great, and it just melded it to my nose just like that, so that I could wear this in class. And what's cool about it is the kids can see your face, and they can see your expressions when you smile and whatnot. So for that face shield mask, I'll include a link for that down below because I did get it on Amazon. So if you're interested in that, it is cool in that regard, is that the kids can see your face and it doesn't fog up my glasses like some. Now this other one I want to show you, I got, and I got these because I wanted 100% cotton masks, and I wanted them to be able to tie rather than hook around my ear because it was really bothering my ear. And so I found these masks, and they by far have been my favorite. And they come in, so there was 7 of them in a package, and they tie behind the head. So as you can see, they just look like this. One end is just a loop, and the other end ties. And so I just take the loop end, and I loop it over my head, and I lift up my hair, and then I just pull it up over my face, just like this. I pull it as tight as I want. I don't pull it too tight. And then I tie it so you can see. Okay, and then after I tie it, I pull it down so I can pull my hair out because I don't like it to show over my hair. I pull it back up and I loop it up over my ears so you can see that, okay? And then I pull it tight from down below so that it fits snug across my nose, but it's loose here. So this is kind of nice. It fits, and it's all the way around my face. It's just not quite as tight under my chin, which I kind of get a little claustrophobic, so this works for me. But with having this loose right here, it makes it really easy if I'm at a point where I can take my mask off, it's lunchtime or whatever. I can just pull my mask down easily and it just drops here. And then it's really easy to put it right back on like this. Pretty swift, right? So there are 7 different colors of masks for this. So I'll show you. So one of them, it's just a navy blue. So this one, if you can see, is kind of a blue pinstripe, okay? And then this is a navy blue. Have this one that's kind of a fall, it's got leaves on it. This one, I like this one, it's my little, you know, gingham plaid type of thing. And then we have this with these bright colored flowers. It's got orange and red and black and white in it. This one's kind of a gray and white stripe. And then this one has gray and pink on it. So these are double layer cotton masks, and they're really comfortable, they're really breathable compared to any other mask I've worn, which I've worn quite a few different ones. And by far these have been my favorite, again, because they're breathable, they're comfortable, and they don't pull on my ears. So if you like these, they're $19.95 on Amazon, and I can include a link for you for them down below in the description. Really, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to go over these masks because I really did like them, and I know many people out there are looking for something that works for them. And it's really hard to know without really testing them out yourself, and you don't want to order 100 million masks to test out. So I just thought I would show you the ones that I have and what I like the best. And honestly, these cotton ones I've liked the best. Even though I do like the face shield because it allows the students to see my face, these ones are more comfortable to wear and more breathable. So I know many of you, this has been a dilemma we've all had to deal with, and hopefully this has helped you out, and have a great day. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you give a subscription button down below a punch and hit that notification bell. Also, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.